I'm up in a semi-secret spot, and it is of Area 51. And the significance of this spot is there's actually line of sight to Area 51. Now, mind you, it's a long ways, but it does allow me to pick up transmissions, radio transmissions from the website, from the base. So I can hear ground to air, air to ground, the tower chatter between whatever's flying, and also the Janets as they land or take off. Normally you're not going to be able to pick up Area 51 radio transmissions because you pretty much need line of sight at VHF to receive it. So I've got my discone antenna and this Yagi I made, which doesn't seem to be working too well. I've got two scanners. One of them connected to my laptop through a program called Scanner Recorder. So anytime anything breaks squelch, i.e. somebody talking, it starts recording. And when they quit talking, it turns off. So you're not just recording dead air. It's kind of a crude way of doing it, but it works. So I'll put up some of the transmissions. I have a hard time understanding some of them. They talk so quick, and they talk jargon sometimes, so it's hard to follow. Maybe it's just my old ears, but I'll try and put some captioning on the transmissions to give you an idea of what they're saying. And if you're familiar with the jargon, sometimes you can pick out what it is. Beautiful view up here. I just got overflown, I'll put some pictures in the video, overflown by two big cargo planes and some fighters, like low altitude right above me. Big sonic boom. B-1s. another B1.
Northwest of Arco, stand by. Direct Arco, center Arco recovery runway 21, Norfolk Unit 29990, and number of flight.
Python 1 is a 2-shift, direct Arco for the Arco recovery at 13,000, 29990.
Python 1, roger.
Python 3 searching.
03 tactical.
2990, Peach. 2. B1 checking in bullseye 06,
Somebody at altitude up there shooting flares.
God damn. Holy shit. That scared the hell out of me. Son of a bitch. God damn.
Dubro 3-1, traffic north, 4 miles southeastbound, small cargo, doing approach from only 1-4. 3 miles north, slow mover, 4700. Dubro 1 looking. 2 o'clock traffic inside, Dubro 1. Dubro 1, 1-4 wind, winds and clear to land, 1-4, give just a second, Dubro 1. Dubro 3-1, roger. Unlock, clear to land, 1-4, Hoover 1. Positive, mark, cross, 1 Texas, cross, we're all 100%. Everything's first good, 20 Southwest 262 with you, comes through 15,000 for 1,250 at wind, we have room here. I'll take it start, 7262, 14 for 12 and 250 at wind with Bravo. 031, have you now, wind cone, altimeter 3007. Dubro 3-1, roger. Dubro 3-1, change group. Control Hoover 9-1, check it in. We have the arriving numbers, field side, requesting a visual 3-2. Hoover 9-1, control, this is going to be a Jason Bugsy, expect the visual approach. Jason Bugsy will expect the visual. Hoover 9.